Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Analytics 4 for tracking SEO performance, full guide step by step clearly. Click on the Start for Free button to create an account. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, select Setup Property to create a new Google Analytics property. Enter your property name, time zone, and currency. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Provide the required information about your business, such as industry category and business size. Click Create to finalize your property setup. You will be prompted to accept the terms of service agreements. After accepting the terms, you will be taken to a new page with your unique measurement ID. Make a note of this ID, as it will be used to track your website's data. Next, click on Data Streams and select Web to track a website. Enter your website URL and stream name, then click Create Stream. On the next page, you can see your stream details, including the measurement ID. To implement tracking, you need to add the Google tag to your website. If you use a CMS like WordPress, you can use a plugin like SiteKit to simplify this process. Alternatively, you can manually add the Google tag code to your website's header section. Ensure the tracking code is placed correctly for accurate data collection. After adding the tracking code, return to Google Analytics and click Verify Setup. Google Analytics will check if the tracking code is working correctly. Once verified, your data will start being collected and processed. To view your SEO performance, navigate to the Reports section. Here you can access various metrics related to traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Explore the different reports to gain insights into your SEO performance. Remember to periodically review your data to make informed decisions. Continuously optimize your website based on the insights gathered from Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.